suitcase. I have no sweater, I have no gloves to keep me warm. But I have to see you just to be near you. It's where I know I'm safe from harm. So bring on the cold, bring on the blizzards. I'm coming home till after winter. Not gonna leave here until the new year. 'Tis the season to be inside your arms. I missed the planting, I missed the harvest. I know the zinnias won't return, but we've got holly and so much ivy. The best time of year has just begun. So bring on the cold, bring on the blizzard. I'm coming home.
Have you ever seen a snowflake dance in the middle of December? It's like an angel floating overhead, barely using their wings. It just rests on the wind, rides it down onto the ground. Blankets sitting white, it's like nothing you've ever seen. I'm talking about Christmas. I'm talking about Christmas. Everyone gather round and sing out loud. Santa Claus is coming to town. I'm talking about Christmas. Everybody sing Christmas. Bringing joy to the world, to every boy and girl. Goodwill and peace on earth. Have you ever seen a star light up the top of an evergreen? It's like the sun itself woke up and gave you a hug. A warmth comes over you like nothing you've ever felt before. From now on you can't ever be warm enough. fit. It's an ugly sweater with Rudolph on the front.
pictures so dear. You carefully color each line. It's a house full of love.